Out in the street, they call it bad. Jump with the thugs and jump but to go down.
So I need to must stay.
Slow down,
Even now, when you do, because sometimes you drive really bad, you have to give me instruction. You can't stop it to the vehicle and drive. I'm here to still want to give instructions. Well, you tell you why. I just do that though. You can't drive good, man. You can't control the vehicle. Yeah? So we almost reached. The drive, what do you mean?
Up the drive or vehicle and go round to go down. Up the drive. So long as the bus are going.
Jesus, you don't want miserable. So reach already then? Reach the Gabby, welcome to Harbour View. Reach Gabby. Over there, quarry, you see it? Come fast, reach over here, sir. Yeah, we know the turning. God, the one time we came come here one time with you, and you remember Orius thing. That's something come here with you. Gabby, we never call you, you go that way, Gabby. Call it. You go that way for calling, that way, Gabby, that way. Call you knows over that side. I have a view with the people. Time outside. Why they coming to whatever season and the main road? Chris is like a straight up. It's far to come last time. I think I'm on that side also. The White House. Big white. Which side of the house, man? The right side?
Yeah. But when you drive, when you want to drive on the left side, go up.
Yeah, because we see you.
You see my kid?
What's your problem?
Oh
gosh. You come strap her up then.
She's strapped down already.
Strap down already? So I see you gone with us, sir?
I said thank you. I forgot. I said thanks already.
Did you organize on your breakfast station and thing? Come here, man. Oh, you look about it. You know what? Go on, boy, this. Go on. Me alright? Go on. Tell them I know. Go on, later. But Gabby, you need to drive on, Gabby. Go far you come, where you come. Relax, man. Yeah, people, so we're leaving Harbour View right now. Yeah, but Gabby, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to do it here. So if you do this, you're there for 2 hours, you're boring, Gabby. You're not going to do nothing, okay? Right? You don't want that. When you go home now, you probably can't use my phone or something. You know what I'm saying? With 2 touring and Gabby now, them there Shamari. Them there Shamari and them have a company and everything about. That's the same Gabby. Gabby, you come front seat, come sit on there, come to the seat belt. Play seat belt. Where's the Gabby, strap up down? No, I said strap up down. So when I seat belt. Me I use it for Gabby. Me use it for my man in Gabby, really good. That's something, you know.
Sometimes go man.
Gabby, you use my for 15 or 2 or 3 hours. I must use it at all. Why? No.
The bus are
Karen, when we go to Karen was around here, so. Gabby, and you know, and the airport, Gabby. Now I'm on the airport is that way. That way is the airport, okay? That way to the airport, that way. Okay, baby. Can I get what? Ice cream. Ice cream. We'll go home. For morning. How does prepare to eat? Daddy are driving conscious like pulling. You see that taxi, you drive taxi when you drive fast, you know? Daddy not do that. And daddy are drive, daddy are think about the safety here. That's why they don't drive too fast, you know? When daddy driving, it's an 80 miles zone. So we need to probably go faster. But we don't want to go fast, we don't have to go fast, yeah? Yeah, we're supposed to be 80. I even 90.
So if you're not at 80 points,
yeah, it's a possibility they might.
Like if you're slow.
Yeah, you must not. Yeah, and this is the fast lane, you know.
Yeah, it's a 50.
So 50 now, though.
Yeah.
Oh, so we slow them now. But they are 60, so with the right space. Go. Five, is that right?
It says 6.
No, that don't goes to the road. That don't goes for the speed limit or fast speed. You get it?
6 miles.
No. You don't go for the speed limit or fast. Cause 6 on this gap. And 6 is very, very slow. So it don't mean the driving. No, 60 miles, 60 miles, 60. Yeah, that could be 6 miles. Yeah, that could be.
6 miles.
Yeah, that could be, yes. Whoa. How can I bust that, man? Okay, I can't run nobody over. Open that one now. Oh, that's a 50. See? That's a 50. So you have moved it a bit slower. Gabby, you say, alright. If whatever over there, say, daddy, you say, if you're over there walking, you see the car move fast though. You know? You gonna say that's a fast that they move? The car is moving fast, you know? Don't think. You want to know how fast the car is moving? Eh? You want to know? Let's find them then. I'm just giving you an example. This car is moving really, really fast. That way is called Windward Road. Okay? About to Gabby? On the right time. Perfect time, Gabby, go. Adios, bye bye. See you tomorrow. That car, come Gabby. See that car? On that. Why did you tie the key? Like a white car, very, very fast. Jesus. How much fast, Gabby? You're so long now, Gabby. Gabby, so I'm drive, Gabby. I'm telling you. Control the vehicle, Gabby. Yeah, man, that's the key. Right now, I'm not going to gas now. Let the vehicle go on, so I can't bend the car there. So look at now. Look how easy that is with the car. Look. I am looking at me already, Gabby. Look. Fast, watching. Somebody gonna come in. Them drive too fast, Gabby. Can't do that for them, no man. Can't do fast driving, yo. Don't like fast driving. So come back up, chat. You see him run, come back again. Watch him. Watch over the taxi man. see how you have to drive. Go daddy and turn this here. Look. Alright. And you have to drive between the two white lines and Gabby. Gabby. So when the white line, you know, when you split white line, that means split like say you have one this or one this or one this up. You can overtake. But you see the light, when it is straight, do not overtake. Always a ticket. When it's straight, like a straight line, don't overtake. You're gonna get problem, Gabby. So you know what? Big problem.
So you can't overtake.
You can't overtake when the line is straight. But when it's broken, you can't overtake. You can't overtake, so you have to wait, Gabby. You can't overtake, so you have to wait. You have to take the opportunity. You can't just overtake, so.
Like wait, like that on you?
Yeah, you have to wait, you have space, Gabby. Driving is about space. So I see opportunity. So, okay, we can go to space then.
Like, so we can overtake right now?
Yes, because we are in an unbroken line.
Because there's a dot right there is space road.
Yeah.
But when it's straight, like,
No overtake.
Like,
And no overtake on it. No, do not overtake and in corners.
Yes.
You got this, Gabby?
Like the one you?
Yeah, you can overtake, yeah.
You can't overtake, you can't.
You can overtake if you want. Run corner, but up to you. That's very dangerous, Gabby. Yeah, mommy was out down the other night.
Is this mom place?
No man, we were down here the other day. Yeah, we done so let's spend some time down here, so. This is where the fireworks keep. Fireworks keep down here, so. I'm gonna show you. The night the fireworks was keeping, all this was blocked off. Everywhere was blocked off. Fireworks keep. Remember though?
So you see this by years.
Right now, Gabby said use it. Right now, said use it. Okay, use it too. Right, it says green on Gabby though. Pressure man right now, Gabby. Been a wrong in here. Should now get it. See, I blow my water, I blow my water, give my indication, say, me come over. And give me the blind. I mean, watch your daddy drive and your bus can't drive, Gabby. Slow down now, you could brake. Go around the corner, look. Go around the corner. I remember you must say you can't have two lane there, but in a one lane. Because in a two lane cause accident. Okay? Alright, watch me now. Round the corner, Gabby. Round the corner, Gabby. Well, you know, if you want to go over this, Gabby, you put that indicator now. And you go over the door, look. Press the gas harder, you press over the pace. You don't go over the slow. Go over the next lane now. So, Gabby, you must see a distance between you and the vehicle. Then watch it now. Indicator again, you go over there. See? Gas in there. to the US so that when you go home. Sing gawe. Just come out pa mo ako. That you guys going that way already.